Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. Something big's going down, man. How you doing?
Bitcoin.
It's a Bitcoin. I hope you got some Bitcoin because, man, this is going to get interesting in a really fast way. And we're going to show you why that is the case in today's episode, right?
Indeed, it's going to be a juicy one as always. So remember to smash up the like button. Let us know where you're watching us from because we like to see all those beautiful places coming in the comments for sure.
Yes. I'm telling you guys that you should go all in on Bitcoin. It was today's episode. That was today's video. If you guys, I did a recorded video earlier on, and if you're interested in watching recorded video, you can head over to levex.davincij15.com and just join me there, and you can watch me live video broadcasts, like do the videos, and you can ask me questions, stuff like that. But anyways,
Nice.
yeah. Go all in, man. I know it's going to be difficult.
Go Bitcoin.
I know it's going to be difficult, right? If you could pull off the all-in move, like sell all your retirement, get out of all stocks, and go all into Bitcoin, that would be the right move, honestly, the righteous move. Because a lot of things, right? Let's just say you take a hit on the taxes today, right? You take the hit. Right? Whatever it is.
What's taxes?
Right?
Taxes.
Ask yourself a question. Right? Are taxes going to be lower in the future or higher in the future when you retire?
Yeah. As if there is an option, right? It's going to be higher. It could go higher. It could go higher.
Yeah. So don't be like, oh, I'm going to lose all this money to taxes if I exit. Dog, you're going to lose it anyways. and more. It's done. Now, if you move it all into Bitcoin, right, you might not lose anything to taxes because, well, you could say, well, government, I gotta leave the country, right? I'm not feeling like staying here anymore, right? I don't got any money. Right?
Sorry. I used to have Bitcoin, but I lost.
I
lost
forgot
the passwords.
Exactly.
It was an accident.
Silly me. I'm out here. I'm outie. I'm just gonna go to Dubai, right?
Habibi.
My cousin lives out there.
I have a couch to sleep on.
Just got a couch to sleep on, and there you go. You're good to go, right? And that's how you do it, right? So, just saying, man, because this is not paying taxes, not right. I think because when the government could print money, make you work for it, then tax you for it. You know something's ain't right.
Yeah, that's why we sleep on our friends' couches,
Exactly,
right, in Dubai. Because we are. Just saying.
Oh, damn, guys. Well, let's get on to the news for today and then go into DeFi, Degen section. And first off, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and also head over and check out Mr. M's podcast.
Thank you.
Nice.
The last video is flying, man. I have one I'm going to upload tomorrow, which is super juicy. But the one with David is going nuts. So really good video. He's been in traditional finance for 30 years. It's good to have a kind of a point of view from someone who's done TradFi for so long, because shows how broken the system is, right?
Exactly. I noticed you did not get the the joke, but okay.
I forgot.
The one we always start off with a little joke, but that's okay.
Yeah. We'll save it for tomorrow.
Yeah, I decided to, because I heard about this, right, and I forgot to mention it. Like, I heard about it before we went on break. I went on a break, and I realized that I should have probably did a show on this, right? But I just remembered now, and I was like, decided to tweet this out just now. Don't tell me nothing's big's about to go down, right? Because I asked AI, right? Because it's so much better to do research like this. I don't have to go find it.
You go fetch.
Right? How many times has the repo market seen, in quotes, notable stress, signs of stress,
Notable sign of stress,
resulting in significant intervention? Not, we're broke, man. We don't got any money. We're all gonna collapse. It just resulted in significant signs of stress. Little notable, no, not insignificant. Notable.
I like touch there. Notable sign of stress. Damn, and he got back with a report. Amazing.
And so they resulted in a little bit of giving it a little few printed money. Here you go.
Just a little bit.
Just a little, just a tad.
Barely notable.
Barely notable.
Man.
Oh, damn.
Sometimes I think about AI thinking, what the hell?
I know exactly.
It's probably going, okay, here you have it,
Okay.
All right, man. Oh, funny.
Damn.
But the answer I gave you was actually
exactly, yeah. Pretty much you can see the crisis 2008, right? September, right? I knew it. I was like thinking, damn, stuff's about to go down once I saw that happen.
Yeah.
I just like I'm wondering what it is, right? And obviously it was also the COVID crisis, right? I'm sure they were planning the COVID thing when they realized, oh shoot, we better we need to print. We better say, look over here.
Exactly.
And they had to print here, and then they had to print more. So it's like, look over here. It's not because we wanted to. It's just COVID.
Yeah, we don't want to do it. I mean,
exactly.
We don't want to do it, but we have to do it.
Exactly.
Sorry, but not sorry. Wow.
And now,
drum roll. Mm-hmm. What's gonna happen now?
So don't be surprised if there's some sort of cyber attack, some sort of nonsense to go, look, we have this problem. Dog, don't go under, man. Here's the money. Here's the money, man.
Please.
Here's the money. Don't go under.
Please let me print it.
I'm printing you some money. Right?
Wow.
Right? Meanwhile, because they can't say bailouts, right?
I mean, they have to have a reason. So they're going to create a reason.
Exactly. There it is.
Wow. And it goes well with the narrative. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you guys heard, but apparently Jerome Powell has been accused of lying under oath because of a refurbishing a $2.5 billion for a rooftop garden for the Federal Reserve. I mean, of course.
It's when he prints the money and gets a rooftop garden and stuff like that. They've got problems with it. But when the government prints money,
halas. All good. Damn.
Well, this is a private company, right? So
exactly. Oh, there's no audio.
Oh, hang on. Let me just fix the audio here. Sorry about that, guys.
No worries.
Oh, damn. So I don't see the point of complaining the fact that he got some free printed money for the Fed, right? So that so he can just have a few amenities and luxuries, right? That it's not like he can work there full time, anyways, right? All the time, right?
Come on, you have to have
come on. It's not like it's his building.
Yeah, you won't have a roof terrace. Otherwise, it's not gonna. How can you print money if you can't go to the balcony every now and then?
Exactly. Yeah.
And breathe in some fresh air.
Do you have it up there? Because I noticed that.
Yeah. It's all good on my end. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we muted the tweet thing.
Let's see here. Is it here? Yeah, that's right. And right here. Oh, I think we are screwed. Okay. Oh, don't tell me we closed the. Oh, I closed the window.
Okay. Well, if you reopen the... Sorry, guys. There's some technical problems.
Oh, man. Why wouldn't it, reopen the same things? Shoot.
I love the T-shirts. By the way, guys, stay tuned because we are... I can't say too much, but we are working on a bunch of cool stuff. And you will like all the ideas that we're putting together.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, a little bit live drama here.
It's okay. It's Tuesday.
Anyways, let's see if this plays.
Is that thing muted down?
No, it's not. It's now our audio is screwed, so we just have to let it go. Anyways,
yeah.
So they're just saying that he's talking about the rooftops stuff and a few things that for a building. Now, obviously, he's not going to get any benefit from this beautiful building being constructed. When he's not going to be working there any longer. Exactly. So obviously...
He's doing it for other people.
Yeah, exactly. He's doing it for other people. his friends who might be doing the construction, maybe. But whatever, right? Whatever, right? It's free printing money, man. Come on. Let it go. Let it go.
Exactly.
He gave $11 billion to the bank. And you guys didn't say a word. You didn't bat an eye.
Exactly. There you have it. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen today. Apparently, is going to be speaking, right? And there are people, by the way, that they are saying is going to resign. So the next tab shows a letter of resignation. I mean, none of these things is official, but this is circulating around saying, oh, of course, Trump doesn't like him. Now the DOJ is under his, beep. So
Yeah, but it's just all that is just like the probably pressuring him to get lost. That's all it is. So it's not like anybody else in the government has ever done anything like that.
yeah, it's a standard procedure, right?
Like, come on.
You work for
Like Nancy Pelosi, she gets away with it all the time. She's better than any hedge fund out there. If you followed her stock picks,
Oh yeah, she's the best trader ever.
she's the best, bar none, across all the different sectors of every hedge fund, every investment company that's ever out there, that ever existed in the history of mankind.
Jeff Bezos' ex-wife, though, is there. Have you seen the meme when she divorced at the top of the stock? She got half. That's not bad for a trade either. But yeah, she's definitely number one. So we'll see what's going to happen. I think it's going to unfold soon, right?
Yeah, this is all nonsense. It's all probably just political show. I mean, yes, he probably committed these crimes, but he's only getting caught because they don't like him.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, because he's not printing fast enough.
Exactly. Right?
Which is good for us anyway. So overall.
If he was on Jeffrey Epstein's list, then he probably would have gotten away with it.
List? Are you in the list? Okay, well, good.
Yeah, good.
Next. Damn.
How dare you?
Oh, damn.
Crazy. All right, this is interesting. We've never looked into this, but this is Bitcoin in dollars versus everything else, right?
All the other currencies, basically. Right? So
And-
it's the dollar price against in Bitcoin. It's kind of a little bit confusing, I know. Because it's not like, but it's basically saying, because all the fiat money is collapsing at the same time. And sometimes the dollar is doing better against other currencies and doing worse against other currencies. So basically, you're just measuring it across every other currency, effectively, when you do the DXY. Right?
Yeah, but it's interesting because it shows a parallel channel, I guess. And as you can see, we are about to break the middle section. And if history is any indication, it could signal a potential top. So, yeah. It could go higher. Damn right. So, yeah, overall bullish. Now, this is crazy because
We missed a lot, man.
Yeah, we missed a bunch of huge inflows. By the way, that is billion, because whenever the number, not of those, is millions. So whenever there is 1,000, it's like
So
a
a little
billion.
bit came into Bitcoin, right? Are you saying?
Just a smidge. Just
Probably a slightly bit more than what came into Solana.
Oh, Solana. Oh,
Oh, Solana. Oh no, that's what we heard. That's what we said.
it was funny because wow, they added Solana.
Solana.
Let's super exciting.
great.
Let's have a look. Oh. That's funny.
And Ethereum, right? It's just like, wow, it's doing Bitcoin numbers now.
Ethereum is doing Bitcoin numbers.
It's a Bitcoin boy now.
Yeah, it's grown up. Look at it, 16 of July. Damn, 726 million. That's like a Bitcoin day. 600 on the 17, 400 on the 18. Wow, those are three of the largest inflows we've seen. Crazy.
Damn. Wow.
So the question is like, is it going to keep up like this? I mean, it cannot cool down. Only 296, which is a lot of money, by the way. So, wow. Yeah, big numbers.
Yeah, those are people chasing. So keep that in mind. Those are paper hands, unfortunately.
Yeah, exactly.
So-
They'll sell as soon as they have the option. But yeah, Q3 looks good. We are up this month 9%.
Ooh.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
4 months in a row now. Maybe.
Yeah, Rafa said you guys didn't stream for 2 weeks and nothing happened. We are bringing back the market. You're welcome.
Exactly. Oh damn. Okay, so and then now let's go on to the fear and greed.
Wow.
72. Okay.
72.
No,
Not bad.
we're not in an extreme situation, right? Yeah. And speaking about being in the extreme situation, oh shoot, what's going on here? We wanted to bring you the
The PI. Why is it not working?
the pi cycle.
The pi cycle. Why is it not working?
Recent data.
Okay, give it.
Do I
Try
have
and
to-
give it a refresh, maybe, and see. Maybe it's gone.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
There it is.
Perfect. Now this is interesting because it shows that the top, according to the PI indicator, it's far away.
Yeah, it's like
Far away.
far away. So we got to cross, right?
Yeah. Now, what we did briefly before the show started, we checked at the same distance on the previous bull run, and it took about 5 months. I mean, those numbers, by the way, there's just everything is kind of, please don't take anything because
When
we
they
don't know.
touch, man, that's when that's extreme greed, right?
Exactly. But if you look at where the distance there, for example, it took about 5 months from there to get to the top. So that means we could indeed top the end of the year, October, November, maybe. I mean,
exactly.
if history repeats, right? So we don't know. It's just-
Yeah. New moon, like October and Moonvember is where we could see the end of the cycle.
Potentially.
This is crazy.
When you told me the number, I was like, what? It's gone up 1%
I know.
since we did the show last time, which was what, 2 weeks
I
ago?
know exactly. Like what the hell?
This is
Are
crazy.
that's crazy. Did I do a screenshot of this? I don't know. Anyways, I'll look for it another time. Because the last time it was like I could have swore it was at 15%, but maybe I'm wrong. That was like a month ago, over a month ago, a month and a half. I know it was at 15% for sure. And because we just looked it up on my computer, I said I had a couple screenshots. But wow, there's gonna be no Bitcoin left for the people.
I know. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if you remember the day, but the first time when we did the show, which was, I guess 5-6 months ago, that was less than 10%.
So, can I ask a question to y'all? Do you think after seeing all this information that it's not a good idea to like you've seen that the Jerome Powell is printing money for himself, right? And people are getting upset when he just finished printing a bunch of money for the banks who, ran out of money, right? 11 billion, which is what the repo market is basically all about. Yeah, so they don't have any money. So here's a bunch of it. Here you go. Thank you for coming out. Don't worry, that will increase, right? And then on top of this, all the Bitcoins are getting bought up. And you don't have and there's so many people watching this show just for entertainment and has 0 Bitcoin.
I know. I know.
Crazy. Well, anyways, now it's time to get filthy, get dirty, right?
Towel and soap ready.
Exactly.
Soap and towels ready.
Just understand that should you invest in anything here, right? And you lose all your money, right? That's your fault. Insurance you got to take out, right? We told you just to buy Bitcoin right here.
Exactly. That's all you
That's
need.
it. Okay, but we're gonna have some fun
Of course, as always.
with some purple poop.
We are going to do it.
Purple poop going in deep. Look at that.
We are the Michael Saylors of purpose.
Yeah, exactly. I know.
Wow. 350?
Yes. I
Hello.
think we need to get another $15 of this thing.
This is showtime.
Damn.
Damn. Are we still like
We need to get a little
4%? Did we have? Let me switch.
exactly.
Did we have like 4% of the supply
Yeah,
of this thing? By the way, guys, if in case you don't know, none of this is sponsors. Like we literally found it and we laughed our soul out,
Exactly.
and it kind of became the sponsor. But it's not the sponsor. It's just like it is what it is.
Just we're gonna get $20 now because I'm forgetting Salon is up.
Oh yeah, it's up. Yeah, $200.
We're getting $20 now.
Yeah.
So last time we moved the place, they moved the thing like all kinds. When we put in, swap
Ooh,
failed. Yes,
Sometimes online.
Yes. Sometimes.
Back in the old days.
Yeah, sometimes online is
Sometimes
Showing
I
his it's showing his colors. So we're only getting 400,000 this time.
Okay, there you go.
Damn.
Done.
Damn! Did we ever move the needle? Wow.
We're about to break that wall and we're going to the moon. Peppa
Wow.
Pig to the moon.
Shame.
What was this we found at the dinner? Right?
Yeah, exactly. At dinner and
When we found it, has it gone bananas before it?
yeah, it went bananas and then it did collapse and went bananas again a few times, but that's about it.
That's about it. Okay, fair enough.
All right, so let's get some. Let's go. Really filthy here.
What do we have?
See here, what's this? The scam. Should we get it?
I mean, what is like?
How many minutes is
Yeah,
this?
so it's like what? How you were on the daily? Wow, look at that. Okay, the
It's like-
scandal. 222,000. This is nuts.
I know.
1.3 million.
Switch to market cap here. So it was as low as we were just a little bit earlier. Could have caught the bottom here and gotten a double. You think we're buying the top here?
Maybe. Maybe.
There could be a possibility.
It's possible that we are buying the top here.
But let's just buy it anyways.
I mean,
Because we're degens here.
exactly.
We see something that's going up, we buy.
By the way, I'm seeing a lot of good questions, so I'm saving a bunch. Thank you guys, by the way, for asking
Should we put protection on this thing?
on the scandal.
Yes.
Let's go raw.
That's raw, yeah.
Exactly.
It's whole $20, man. Okay, let's get one more and then call it a day.
Nice. Oh yeah,
Which one? You choose.
I think we missed the Coldplay thing. That would have been a
Oh yeah, that would have been a good one.
that would have been a good one.
I'm sure that one went well.
The living meme. What's this one? That one.
Okay.
Can't read that. Is that cat? Oh boy.
Marcat.
Oh, it's supposed to be market, but it's a cat.
Were candlesticks?
How about new?
Yeah. Pass. Pass.
Okay. Next.
Let's see. I want to go Altman.
Where's Altman?
This one. Altman has to be. Oh, not manipulation. Look at those weeks.
Yeah.
Organic, right?
Very.
Organic.
Let's get some.
How do you feel about Altman? Maybe.
I mean, it seems to be rolling over a little bit here, but hey, if we get another wick, right? We double up.
with protection on Altman. Right? Okay, fair enough.
There must be a new what's it called? Thing called bonk that the people produce their altcoins. Because look, bonk. That's the second time I saw bonk at the end. So that must be a new like pump fund.
Yeah, it's possible.
All right, so we're gonna buy this, put in like
Some protection.
$20, and put protection on our $20.
Nice.
Our anus got a little bit cracked there.
I was worried when you said got a little bit. I was like, oh boy, it's got me.
It's a little bit cracked.
Yeah, it is what it is, right?
Oh damn!
It's funny. I was
That was a nice meme coin to try to invest in, though. But it cracked it a little bit.
yeah. All right, let me see. Well, we got a lot of good questions, guys. Keep them coming. Some really good ones coming in the chat. Thank you so much. All right, perfect. I think we have a few.
All right, so I'm gonna sell
There's
this.
one that I was looking. Hey, Loki's in the chat. Good to
Hi.
see you, buddy. There was one I saw about Doge. I wanted to find, but I can't. Let me see if I can search because that That was a good one. Okay, let's save this one and we go. Alrighty. Let's see. We can start from here. It's altcoin season here.
Well, I mean, there seems to be some sniffings of it, but
But we haven't seen the crazy yet, right?
No. It hasn't materialized in full effect.
Some coins are going to do well, but not all the coins, right?
Exactly.
That's the thing.
The thing is, right? Will we have some sort of alt season? I've always said that yes, right? But in the overall picture of this, right now, Bitcoin seems to be pulling back a little bit. It looks like we're getting a little bit of an alt season. But in the long term picture of it, whether it's the bull run, the full bull run, or into the bear market, Bitcoin will outperform all these meme coins like significantly.
Yeah, if you're planning to rotate into altcoins from Bitcoin, you have to plan to rotate back into Bitcoin at some point, right? You can do little old lady, like Da Vinci said, whatever you double,
Exactly.
put it back into Bitcoin.
Yeah, you can little lady strategy this thing, right? But I would little lady priced in Bitcoin, and it's really difficult to do that because only a few coins will actually outperform Bitcoin.
That's
And you
the
have to
catch.
get the right ones, right?
Exactly, that's the catch. All right, so a good one from Midwest Picker, and he says, what are the chances we no longer have a traditional Bitcoin bear market? That's a good one. I don't think we're going to have a bigger as correction. It's not going to do 90%
Exactly.
correction.
There will be corrections, but not the big 90%. But there will be one, right? There will be one.
It's going to leave a mark.
That's going to leave a mark, right? When Bitcoin finally explodes into its ultimate bubble, because that's coming. There will be an ultimate bubble where everyone realizes, oh my God, the dollar's dead. We got to get out.
FOMO.
That's it.
Could be maybe 180, 200,000. I don't know.
Yeah, and
something
then Bitcoin will do something crazy, and then come back down. Right? It could be like a few $100 million Bitcoin. A380 price. Right? Trade an A380 for a Bitcoin.
Yeah. This is when things are going to become interesting. Bullish Mike, what comes after 70% Bitcoin? Is it what comes after? Sorry, 70% or 50% dominance? Yeah.
Okay, which comes first?
Yeah. So I think now are we 60 something? 61 was
We're
yesterday.
at 60% right now, and so
Bang in the middle in between 70 and 50.
Well, I mean, I could
good
take
one.
a look at the chart and give you an answer. Let's see here.
Good question. Thank you.
So basically, right, what I did was, as you can see here, I just took this upward lines, right, and moved this over here to see if it could hold this. Now, 50%, what you're saying is right down here. There's a little bit of support. There's a lot of support and resistance here at the 50% mark, 52. Let's just say 52 is your real target, right? Not 50% exactly, but say 52.
Man, if we go down that low, alts are going to go ballistic.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? If we come back to the 200 period moving average, yes. Absolutely. And this is on the 2 week,
Damn.
right? A 2 week 200 period moving average. Not the weekly. 2 week. Right? So yeah, that's a huge move. Right?
Man, we haven't seen that big of a move in a long time, actually, looking at the chart.
Yeah, and on the daily, let's see here, the 200 period moving average is like nowhere to be seen. Okay, no, it is. So we just crossed over it.
But are we bouncing from the yellow line? It's
crossed
like a
it.
little sign of bounce.
Yes, this new upward trend is like, I figured that might be a crossing point where we're going to reverse because we just went too far, too fast.
Yeah, exactly. That was a complete
yeah.
vomit.
So,
So my bounce, and then see if we go lower
yeah,
after.
so we're going to retest this main yellow, this main line here. I should change the color of that one so that it's different from the others. So let's see here. Orange. Let's just go with orange. So this orange line here, that's a key support line, right? Keep in mind these lines have been here forever.
Yeah.
And so like even when it did this, right, came up, this line was here this line was here before it got up here. This line was here all
I know.
this time.
I remember seeing you putting down the parking garages, and there was no price.
No prices, yeah. So we came, bounce off of these, and now we failed that line really bad. I mean, see, it stopped at that line right a little bit, but then broke through it, right? And then you can see if we zoom in, if we go granular, you can see that there was probably a little bit of a pause at the. If we go to the hourly or something, there's probably a pause around there,
Yeah.
and then it broke through.
So now the question is, are we going to bounce back and then go lower if we fail to break?
There's a possible like bounce back a little bit lower and retest this level. If we retest this upward trend and fail it, right, we could break it a little bit, but as long as the wick comes back in it, then we'll go higher. If we go higher, that's great. If not, we're gonna head back down. The target would probably be the 50, the 50, 57% is most likely. The most likely.
Well, what's Ethereum versus Bitcoin is doing? Because that might give us some clues on ETH versus Bitcoin bounce. Exactly when this dropped, there was a.
So we're targeting 45, 0.45. Sorry, 0.045 on what's it called? Ethereum versus Bitcoin versus Ethereum, right? Priced in Ethereum, and you can see that that would be the target. Which is 38.2, which should be a safe target because there's lots. 38.2 represents a what's it called, a support resistance line, which was a key support area that had to hold and it failed, and so I wouldn't be surprised if we come up to 38.2, which is the 0.045, and fail from there, right? So that's a little bit more ways to go, right? We were talking about that, you saw that was a 82% move against Bitcoin.
Yeah,
which is
nuts.
right? But it went down and then it reversed, and now that move it's going to be 100%. So you could have you could effectively, if you bought the lows, it looks like if you bought these lows anywhere in here, down here, or this low here. You could probably double. There's a chance that you could double your Bitcoin in Ethereum.
Yeah, exactly. Funny, I talked about this with my brother a lot, and I told him, like, we discussed it. We said, well, if Ethereum doesn't bounce back, that's it. It's done, because that was the lowest ever. So glad to see a bounce. At least in there.
Okay, let's answer one more question. Call it.
So Luke gave us a super chat. Thank you. So we could talk about me actually. Any targets?
Oh, me for a target.
Thank you, Luke, for the super chat. By the way.
Yeah, I think we can see there's the 61.8. Let's see if I have a me chart here.
Because me moved a lot. Right? There was a huge move which we talked about yesterday.
Yeah, let me see if I can bring one up.
It'd be good to see if you have any price targets. I'll do some quick DA there.
Yeah, okay, let's do it.
Look at that move. Jesus.
So right now, I would not be buying the tops here. If you want to see this thing continue going higher, what you need to do is you do your Fibby, take your Fibby fibs, and you're interested in buying the 61.8, right, or the 38.2, but I wouldn't bother 38.2 on a big face rip move. I'd wait for the 61.8.
To come down and then
exactly, you can see that clearly there is, somewhere around there, like at least you can see that about here. This is the support line, so close to it. The 61.8 is support level. So somewhere around there is where you should be. You should be buying, not all the way up here. And then what the target would be. Let's just zoom out a little bit. You'd have to take it to the last peak. The fibs. Let's draw the fibs.
What a move he's done. Crazy.
And so around the 2 cents is the target after that. So
nice.
There you go.
Thank you. Do you want to answer this?
Which one is that?
This one.
Sure, if you want to.
All right, last one. Michael, okay. Do you think XRP is going to take Bitcoin? Yes.
For sure.
Of course. Yes.
For sure.
The answer is yes.
Sure.
Sorry, I couldn't resist. And it's not going to happen. But there you have it. Thank you. Thanks, man.
All right.
Thank you guys for watching. It's kill the juice. Of
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
All right. We'll see you guys
See ya.
tomorrow. Cheers.